Hey guys, we've gotten a lot of questions regarding the NFL concussion litigation, and so I gathered all the frequently asked ones, and I'm going to have Chad answer those questions for you now. If you have any questions, please send them to the email link below or message Chad on his email. What if I already have an attorney? Will it cost to switch?
No, it will not. Essentially, attorneys can only charge a certain fee, and it's kept at 22% by the judge, Judge Brody. And so it doesn't matter if you have 100 attorneys, all those attorneys cannot collectively charge more than 22%. So essentially I would be fighting with them for my fee, but it would not affect your monetary award whatsoever.
Okay, and how do you find out which law firm represents you?
It's a good question. Many people have had trouble talking to their attorney. They won't return the call. Half of them don't even know if they have an attorney, and you can only find out once you sign with me. Then we submit your designation form to the claims administrator, giving me access to your portal, so I can see the information in it and see who, if anybody, does represent you and what they've done, if anything, for your claim. And then we just get a game plan and move forward with submitting your paperwork for successful monetary award.
Okay, well tell me about the deadline on June the 6th and what that means.
Okay, we have a huge deadline, June 6, 2019. All retired players must have registered with and be in the process of scheduling by June 6, 2019, or you're forever out of the NFL concussion settlement unless you use your own doctor. That essentially you'll have to pay $6,000 to $8,000 for the type of assessment that's done for neurocognitive impairment.
Okay, some of the NFL players have been asking about the NFL themselves and whether or not the NFL knows that they filed a claim, like giving them a black eye in the community.
Yes, the NFL will never know whether or not you filed a claim. These claims are strictly confidential. The member teams themselves don't even pay any of the money. That's essentially an insurance policy that they're making a claim on that their insurance company is paying for. And so the answer is no, they will never know that you filed a claim. There will be no black eye in the community. Okay,
and what if a player develops symptoms after the June 6th deadline?
Okay, it doesn't matter when you're diagnosed with something. It's so long as you are at some point, you'll be compensated for it, whether it be today or 50 years from now. It's the date of diagnosis that controls how much money you'll get. Obviously, the younger you are, the more money you'll get. But if you don't have symptoms today, it doesn't mean that you won't have them next month, next year, 5 years from now. So you need to be registered in this thing to make sure down the road, if you do have something that comes up, you'll have something that will fall back on that'll pay for it and pay for your family's expenses related to the illness.
How do I get registered to see a doctor?
Well, that again, you would have to hire my firm. We'd go about submitting your paperwork, getting you in the process of scheduling by June 6th. We've got 3 weeks or less now, probably 2. And so we really need to get this thing rolling if you haven't enrolled in the baseline assessment program. But so long as I have your stuff, essentially by the end of May, we can get you in, no question.
Okay, and do you handle claims all over the U.S.?
I do. I have clients in every state in the country. So yes, I have over 100 people that I represent currently.
Okay, and have you represented and gotten a player paid for?
I have. We've got many people paid. Matter of fact, we got a monetary award notice a month ago for $1.56 million. The appeal deadline is 30 days from that date, which ended last week, and they didn't appeal it. So we're going on to payment for him. But we've done many like that in the past. And so yes, we get them paid, and I intend on getting you paid if you sign with me.
All right, thanks, Chad. If y'all have any questions, please click the link below. If you'd like to sign up, you can also click the link. Thanks.